Kitazawa seed.
So, what are we making today?
We're actually making soy milk. It's easy to make, and also we have some low germination seeds which we are using to make this soy milk today.
Why do we use the low germination seeds?
They're multi-purpose. They can also be used for making tofu and other soy products, and I think that soy milk is healthy. I want to share this recipe with everyone.
So what's the first step?
The first step is rinsing the seeds. So we got to open this bag and rinse the seed first. All of them is fine. All right. And first step is put it into the water, and then just slowly rinse them. All right. Next step is going to be soaking the seeds overnight. All right. Can you please help? Thank you. Pour them in here. Alright, and we're going to soak them overnight. Here you go.
What does covering it do?
It's just to protect any dust or anything from getting in. This is what it looks like after it's being soaked for 12 hours. There you go, they expanded. And it's time for us to blend the soybeans. We're gonna mix with some water of the ratio of 1 to 2. So, time to blend. You can see the froth in there. Yes. We're gonna boil this later, so let's put this aside. Now that it's hot and ready, just put it into another container. We are going to strain the soy milk. Alright, we're gonna squeeze out the juice from the pulps. It's gonna be a little hot. Just be careful and squeeze as hard as you can. You can always use black soybeans to make the same soy milk too. The color will be different, but they taste exactly the same. Okay, next we're gonna do the pandan syrup. Pandan is actually called screw pine leaves. Yeah, and these are the leaves. I tied a knot with the leaves, and I'm gonna teach you how to do that too.
Okay, great.
All right, here you go. That works.
Yeah?
That works.
Okay.
And you just place it here. All right. Medium first.
Okay.
Let this.
About how much sugar?
I would say 1 cup. We'll just put one of these in here.
It smells really good.
All right, it does. Look at it. Okay, we're ready with this one, and we're gonna boil the soy milk. Put this aside, and let's do this.
Should it be a medium heat?
Yes, medium.
Okay.
Let's turn off the heat. It's hot.
Yeah.
All right, and it's ready. All right, I like to add a little bit of the pandan syrup that I did. It just give it an extra kick. You want to try some?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
That's really good.
It is, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
There's syrup really
It's
adds
my
a
turn.
flavor.